Hi, this is Eric from LD Products, and today I'm going to show you how to print with Alexa using your HP Tango printer. First, make sure the HP Tango and your Alexa device are on the same wireless network. If they are not on the same network, they will not be able to communicate with each other. Then, you're going to want to download the HP printer skill on your Alexa app, or you can also find it on the Amazon website. When you enable that skill, it will ask for your printer's email address. And you can find the printer email address by printing out the HP Tango Printer information page, which you can do by holding down the I button on the printer. It's on the top here, so just press that button. We'll wait a moment and it will print out that printer information page. Once you've got the printer email address, you can enable the skill on the app. We'll walk you through the steps here. You'll need to give Alexa permission to access the skill, type in that printer email address to connect the printer, and then you can start printing with Alexa. The HP Printer app allows you to print Amazon shopping lists, to-do lists, coloring pages, and more using Alexa. So let's try it out. Alexa, I'd like to print my shopping list.
Okay, here's HP Printer. I found a list named Alexa Shopping List. Is this the one?
Yes.
Okay, getting your shopping list printed for you.
Okay, and it takes a couple of moments for the shopping list to get sent to the printer, so we'll give it a minute here. And it's starting to print. And that's it. We've got our shopping list here. Right now there's only a few things you can print with the Alexa, but I'm sure more are to come as it gets more advanced. But for now, the shopping list is pretty cool, and that's it. Need more help? Be sure to check out our other videos for this printer model. And if you're looking to save money, consider purchasing the LD brand compatible version from ldproducts.com. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like below and be sure to subscribe. Shop LD Products for all your ink and office supply needs. We are your ink and toner experts.